Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 23. Today we talk about classic food and why some dishes become classics. What we call classic dishes is dishes that have been here for a long time over the years, changed very little and are still enjoyed today the same way they were 50 or 100 years ago. That's what we call a classic. So maybe a classic is your onion soup when you're talking French cuisine, your Dover sole, your tenderloin rossini. These kind of items are classics in Italian food. Maybe your carbonara or minestrone, that's our classic. In Indonesia, maybe your nasi goreng or your beef rendang. That's what we call classics. And they're here pretty much same way like they were 50 or 100 years ago or even longer. Maybe with some small plating differences, but people still enjoy them today the same way they enjoyed them a long time ago, and they still ask for them because they are popular, so that's why we call them classic.